Hey, we're gonna make a glass block window for the music room today. I've made a wooden frame, put it all together, measured it. Now I'm taking it apart so I can mortar the glass blocks into it. Now the hole in the frame for the window was pretty irregular, so I ended up using a couple different kinds of wood. I've got straight 2x4s on the top and bottom, one of which I had to do a long cut on to make it fit, and a true 1-inch board on one side, and some 3/4 inch planking on the other side. Anyway, with a bunch of sanding and chiseling, I made it fit. I'm using a white mortar, specially made for glass blocks. Comes in a 7-pound bag down at Home Depot. Mix it up with some water, and this is what you get. Now we've got some 3-inch by 7.5 by 7.5 glass blocks. Got these down at Michael's. And this is the kind you can use for flower arrangements as well. But for our purposes, they're gonna work great. They got a little hole in the top, so we just plugged that up. And with the mortar and a plug, shouldn't have any problems. I've got my 6 blocks in the frame and I'm just mortaring up the top board. It's thickened up quite a bit, but it's working out just fine. I did end up with a little gap here on this side, which led me to a lot more planing and sanding, and we made it fit. And this one lined up just right. I'm filling in any gaps between the blocks with a bit more mortar. Messy job and doesn't look pretty right now. Well, I've got everything all plugged up and we're gonna treat this like a grout on tile. Get a damp sponge, clean bucket of water, squeeze it out, get it as dry as you can, and just wipe the extra mortar right off. And if you mess a little, the glass blocks are pretty strong, so you can get a bit of steel wool, scrape it off later. Here we go, 6 glass blocks and a wood frame. By the way, this is heavy, but we got it in there. Looks great, huh? Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.